Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share with you my kids room play area. Now as I have a rental setup, so I didn't want to invest a lot in my decor. Also the room is pretty small, so I wanted to maximize the functionality of this area. Hence I chose the minimalist way for decor. So I would be sharing with you some tips and tricks which would be very handy if you are on a budget or have a rental home. So without ado, let's get started. So firstly I opted for lower sitting arrangement because kids are really active and they tend to fall from higher sitting arrangements. So this lower sitting ensures that she doesn't get hurt while playing. Also, I had a lot of toys which were gifted to me by friends and family, and I'm a real crazy about stuffed toys, so I used to decorate them for her and she loves to play around with them. If you do not have stuffed toys around, you can add to the look and feel of the area by adding cushion covers of different sizes. To increase the functionality of this room, I added a little table so that I can work on laptop whenever my daughter is not playing here. To boost the warmth of this area, I added this carpet and made a canvas painting with beautiful inspiring coat. Now to add character to the walls, I did this real quick DIY. I made these owl emoticons on paper and then stick them on the wall through sellotape or double-sided tape. I used some foam flowers as well, which are very easily available on any stationery outlet. Thirdly, I didn't wanted to use a curtain for this window as I wanted a lot of natural light to peep in. So I made this DIY curtain from beads, some foam flowers, pom-poms and some bells. They are very easily available on any craft shop. I just love the way this curtain came out to be, and the natural light adds to the flavor of this room. Now this is my another DIY which I have done from the left out decor, wall decor that I had ordered for my other room which was left out. So I used this branch here. This bird cage I found from a local market and I painted it white and the flowers with different colors. I added these magnet butterflies and artificial vines. These vines are also easily available in any of the decoration item shop. These birds are also drawn on paper and been pasted here by double-sided tape. This is a little wall hanging I bought from Club Factory. It is really cute with a heart and two birds sitting on the rooftop. You can see how by adding little knickknacks the whole look comes out so pretty. This sunburst mirror is also a DIY from left out bangles. We have a small balcony outside this room and I've added some plants as well. On this wall I've added some random drawings that I had. I've added some frames here on this wall, and one frame has my daughter's picture and the other two are some drawings that I have drawn. If you want me to share any of the DIYs, then please mention in the comment section below. On the door, I wrote a little quote on paper and decorated it with some drawing and flower and a sticker, also a live sale giveaway. In the end, I would say just put on your artistic gloves and color your room according to your taste. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for many such interesting videos. Till then, toodles!